Hello, Escambia County Public School teachers, and welcome to another Byte of Tech with your Student Data Systems team. The Gradebook is used to convey how students are performing in various subjects. Categories can be created in the Gradebook as weighted or unweighted. In this video, you will learn how to generate the district report, My Gradebook Categories. Let's get started. From the left navigation menu, click the arrow next to Reports and select District Reports. The next page will display a list of folders on the left side of your screen. Locate the Grades folder and click the subfolder Gradebook Configurations to find the My Gradebook Categories report. Click the green Run button to generate the report. This report will give you a snapshot of the categories created in your gradebook, whether weighted or unweighted. The marking period column will display the quarter or multiple quarters where the category resides. Next will be the period and course information containing the category, followed by the category name. The last column of the report will display the category weight information. For a weighted gradebook, the weighted sums column will display the percentage amount with the associated quarter information. For an unweighted gradebook, the weighted sums column will display unweighted gradebook used. Thanks for joining me today as we learned about the My Gradebook Categories District Report. Please be sure to check out our YouTube channel to access content specifically designed for you. Don't see a video on a topic you need? No worries! Just complete the video suggestion form linked below. Be sure to check out the recommended video below as well. We hope you join us next time for another Byte of Tech.